guys, how's it going? Welcome to today's video. Nothing special today. We're just gonna get some cool flight footage today. I'm at a new spot here. It's a park I've never been to. I like going to new spots. Hopefully we'll get some cool footage. Real quick, I have a video coming out that I'm very excited about. To build video for a new drone. So if you guys are interested in that, I'm building a drone. If you guys are curious about that, it's my first build. I bought this one from Rotor Riot, pre-built, tuned, everything. So it's 5-inch, but I'm building my first drone. It's not a 5-inch, so you guys have to watch that video to see. But yeah, we're just gonna get some clips here and run a couple batteries and see what we can do. We are recording. All right, we're doing a 4K 30 with an ND32, and I am running no stabilization, as some people have told me to do, so kind of testing out how that looks versus having the hyper smooth on. So all this footage should be unstabilized, so yeah. Okay, we smacked a tree, that's all right. We are still rolling. Okay, we had a little mishap there. I ran into a tree.